Shut up. Yeah, nobody knows we're not politics. Me ain't doing politics. We're doing this. Look at this. Oh my god. There's a severe thunderstorm warning in effect right now for Davis County, which I recorded to put in a compilation, so it can be the first video when my main channel comes back. This compilation, which is Hiatus Chaos, will be the first compilation of my ever. And keep in mind that I need to charge my phone, because it wants to off myself, because it wants to kill itself. Well, too bad. Yeah, there it is. There it is. There it is. The severe storm. But when it gets here, I'll let you know. Because it usually gets here during the 5-minute mark. Look at this. The lightning is very frequent right now. We might have another electrical storm just like we did Saturday night. Yeah, I might add this. Yeah, I won't be adding a storm video to my compilation. I know most people add storm footages to the compilation, but mine is just way too long and I want it to be only EAS. So I am making a separate thunderstorm video to honor my first ever EAS compilation with God, we already getting close up. Yeah, look at this sky. The sky is clear, but this storm is just coming. Yeah, and there's a chance that this thing will jump scare my. Yep. Oh my god, there's a chance of me being jump scared by my 120. Oh my god. Look at this, it's coming. The lightning is visible through the motorhomes. You can tell that it's not looking pretty. Look at this. We have been getting a lot of thunderstorms lately, and this is one of them. Look at this. That's a severe storm that's moving towards us right now. Oh, jeez. That's a severe storm that's moving through us right now. And I'm not even. Yeah, this thing is gonna jump scare me. This will be the second ever nighttime thunderstorm video with EAS included, so I might clip that and add it into my compilation. Dude, I don't know. I might trim it out. And keep in mind that on Friday, my school will be having its first fire drill. Yeah, first fire drill of the 2024-2025 school year. But that doesn't mean I'm recording that because I am not in the fire alarm committee and never will be. Because fire alarm community sucks. It's full. No, it's full. No. Here we go again. Him bossing my channel. Wow, oh my god. Keep bossing my channel around. Just because I don't want to join the fire. Just because I don't want to join the fire alarm community, that doesn't mean you force me. That's my choice. Oh, that's my choice. I could. Oh! No, woman, no. Woman, no. 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 Let me talk. No. No.
I'm like you join the fire alarm community and I'll play Radio Essential. Do you hear me?
I don't know if I can join or not. The fire alarm community's dumb.
You should join it. It's similar to web radio. Being loud.
Oh, it's just loud fire alarms.
Web radio is
It's just these people pulling their pole stations.
look at those web
It's just, look at these. It's just people pulling down fire alarms.
look how loud the radio web radio is.
God, I'm already hearing thunder, and the sky is right there. The sky is
There's blue
clear,
sky right there.
but it's soon going to be lightning if but it's soon going to be white flashing sky. Because the clouds are dark right now, as you can see. Sorry if you cannot see the lightning very well, but it's just, look at this. The lightning is actually starting to get extremely frequent now. Oh, you're starting to see. Oh, look at this. The lightning is starting to get visible on camera. Oh. Yeah, the storm's moving in. And I am sorry everybody, I accidentally stopped the video. Well, anyways, I'm not even gonna be surprised if this thing actually goes off during the video. Oh. The lightning is actually starting to get close. But this time it might be worse. I was wrong about it being once in a decade. It's happening almost every day now. Because of this severe storm trying to move in. Oh my god. God, the storm's not even into sunset yet, and it's already. And the lightning's already close up. What the heck? Look at this. Oh. Yeah, once it moves in, this thing won't be clear anymore. It will be like this. It will be this. It will be this. It will be this. It will be like this. Sky will be this. This is going to be the sky in a few minutes. Look at this. This is about to be the sky in a few minutes. So, y'all ready? Because I am going to alert you when the storm has officially moved in. Because the storm is closing into sunset right now. Oh, don't tell me KEAS went live again. Oh, god dang it. If he actually, oh my god, if he actually went live, I swear to god. I swear to god, K, I swear. Never mind. Sorry for calling you KEAS. Your name is OKTV. I still miss your username, K. Oh, yep. And K. Oh my god. The K-ster. I thought the K-ster went live and there's a thunderstorm heading towards my location. Oh no. Somebody's about to go live and there's a storm heading towards us. Oh no. Okay. I'm alone. Look at this. It's looking cool right now. But it's gonna look cooler when the storm actually moves in. Everybody. Keep in mind, that this thunderstorm video might be a premiere. So get yourselves ready. Grab your popcorn. Grab your Mountain Dew. Grab your Coke. Grab your Pepsi. Grab your potato chips. Grab your Doritos. Grab your M&Ms. Grab your Snickers. Grab your Twix. Grab your hot Cheetos. Grab your normal Cheetos. Grab your jalapeno Cheetos. Grab your talkies. Grab your phone. Grab your camera. Grab your screen recorder. Grab your computer. Grab your motorhome. Grab your Wi-Fi. Grab your plate full of French fries. Grab your Big Macs. Grab your chicken nuggets and grab everything and enjoy. Oh. Make sure you have your popcorn, Mountain Dew. Make sure you have your Coke and everything ready. Because this is about to go down in history as my first ever nighttime severe thunderstorm experience. Oh my god. They were not actually calling for thunderstorms tonight, but this, oh my god, look at the lightning. Oh my god! But, oh my god, how is it already starting to, how are we already starting to get close-up lightning by? How are we already starting to get close-up lightning strikes? As I know I was supposed to be seeing the super full moon today, but I'm going to see a super full lightning. You can tell by my voice I'm hyped. I am hyped as a person who wants to get out of school. I am as hyped as somebody on their last day of school. I am hyped as somebody when I Shall Speed goes live. Oh my god, I am hyped as somebody who wants to see I Shall Speed die in Minecraft for the 27th billionth time in one stream. Look at this. Check my WR120. God, are we gonna get a flash flood warning again? If we do, it's possibly for the Jacob City burn scar. Boy, I swear to God, I hope that doesn't happen. Imagine me getting an extremely close-up lightning strike and extremely loud thunder and a weather radar going out for a flash flood warning all at the same time. Like, I am staying up. I know I should be asleep because of school. But this storm doesn't want me to go to school. It wants me to drop out. This storm wants me to drop out of school. Just to film it. I'm not dropping out of school. I'm just filming you. You last don't hear you last don't. I'm hyped. Oh! Oh my god! How? God, how's that storm already over us already? Ooh! And make sure you have all of your everything ready. This lightning is very frequent right now. And it's actually closing into sunset. Look at this. You can tell that the lightning is actually pretty visible from right there for now. Because of this thing in the way. You can tell by the strikes that this is a motorhome. I'm gonna watch the lightning Oh, right there. That's the mortar. Oh my god, oh my god. Look, the clouds are trying to move in. I don't care. Yeah, Mother Nature plugged in my bedtime schedule again. Yay. Let's go. Let's go, boy. My bedtime schedule's getting corrupt again, boy. Let's go. It's not long before this storm actually moves into sunset. It's not what I saw before. Oh! It's not long before this thing goes off. Oh. Oh. Not again with the loud thunder. Dude, the lightning is actually very, very frequent right now. They might update the warning to include large hail, damaging winds, and frequent clouds of ground lightnings is possible with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is another one of nature's killers. Remember, if you hear thunder, you're close enough to be struck by lightning. Yeah, that's the quote. I heard from a severe thunderstorm warning once. I actually like that quote. Too bad it's Paul. Because Tom is dead now. Except when you use it in your mocks. God, there is already thunder. God, that storm doesn't want to go away. It just wants to go. Come on. Thunderstorm, take your time. Go to sunset. Come on. I know you want to go at sunset, but it's gonna be okay. You can make it to sunset of thunderstorm. Oh my god. Come on. Faster. I want to experience July 24th for the second time, please. I want to experience July 24th a third time, please. Please, nature, please.
Yo, boy.
Oh, look, I got a lightning alert. Oh my god.
Yeah, you didn't get lightning. That's right. That's fake. You didn't actually get lightning. You're just faking it. I know it. I am looking at you, Robert.
And be prepared to experience an EAS alert again. Oh, they're saying flash flooding? God, Jacob City Burns Guard's in danger again. Oh my god, oh no. Oh, chances no. Oh, my chances are come no. Oh my KEAS, Go KTV, Solar, Bowler, Mr. Peach, FT, Sunset Lava, no. God, that storm is actually getting close. Like, you can barely tell I'm pointing right now, which is invisible, but this is from me. Oh my god! I think you actually saw the blue sky right there. You actually saw the blue sky right there. That's what remains of it until it comes. Like, the storm is actually getting pretty close. We're already getting close to lightning strikes, and the sky hasn't fully clouded yet. Sorry, but you'll have to wait until the storm arrives for me to open that thing up again. God, who gave my phone permission to charge backwards? Yeah, I'll just have to wait till the storm arrives. Okay. Oh my god. This is what I come back to. I record on the other phone and this is what I come back to.
This is why, Chad.
Oh my god. That is the most frequent lightning I ever seen. Oh my god, this is gonna be.
Well, I don't agree.
Oh my god.
Why don't
Just look at nature, she's pretty mad. She's trying to take away my charge. Yeah, my phone just wants to die, so enjoy what's left of
Jimmy
it.
Fallon tonight. But
Get your
if you ever join the fire,
Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. Just quiet. Oh my god, just look. Oh my god.
like if you ever join
Oh
the
my
fire,
god, this is more. God, this is
Wait.
God, this is like Saturday night, but it's so intense right now. That's probably the most intense thunderstorm lightning show I ever experienced. Just wait till I get a lightning bolt. Just wait. Oh my god.
I don't know. Imagining there was actually a northern lights and a thunderstorm.
Woman, there's no work today. What's wrong with your head?
And if there was actually a fire alarm, you would join the fire alarm committee.
Oh my god.
And then see all the lights in the fire alarm.
Oh my
flashing.
God, look at this. Oh my god. I've never experienced a cloud. I've never experienced a lightning show like this before. This lightning is actually extremely frequent right now. 200 lightning strikes. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Well, you're making it more cheater.
Oh.
You're cheating, lightning.
The lightning's not cheating. Oh my god. This is going to be the most lightning thunderstorm video. Oh my god. Look at this. The thunderstorm's here and it's not waiting yet, but oh my god. Look at this. Look at this. I even experienced a lightning bolt before I started recording. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this.
Go back.
There is nothing but lightning right now. Oh my god. Oh my god, I close up.
Tell her to go back. I'm dead serious. I'm dead serious. Tell her to go back. I'm dead serious. Right now.
Oh my god.
I'm dead serious.
How? How is this even possible?
No.
That is the most freak. Oh my god, lightning bolt! My god, it's not even raining. And the storm is already extremely intense. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just.
You had to cause that thunderstorm for no reason.
God, my phone may be slow at times. Oh. Oh my god! Oh my god. So many lightning bolts. Oh my god. Sorry, you can't stop it. You can't control it. It's gonna be like this. Oh my god, this is the most intense thunderstorm I've ever seen.
This does not look intense.
Oh my-
looks intense.
Oh my god, I'm experiencing up to 100 plus lightning strikes right now.
No, it doesn't.
Oh my god. Dude, this lightning is extremely intense. Oh my god. There won't be as much close-ups, but there will be much of this. Oh my god. Out of every thunderstorm I recorded, this has to happen. God, lightning is extremely frequent right now. Oh my God, how many? Mother Nature, what caused you to be this mad?
It's not even raining. Okay.
Oh my God, lightning strike.
Like it's not even raining. It was raining right
But it's not. Oh my God, look. It's God, lightning just doesn't want to go. It's just oh, I have to freak out. That's the point. Oh my.
now. Shh.
Shh. Oh my God. There's not even Wayne. And this is already. Oh my God. This is like living in Oklahoma. Oh my God. Oh, no, I have to. Oh. Oh my God. Dude, I've never seen lightning this frequent before. Oh my God. I'm telling KEA. I'm telling OKTV when it goes live. I'm telling them when it goes live. Oh my God, this is intense.
Stop freaking out.
No.
So much. It's too crazy.
Oh.
You got to stop
No.
freaking.
Shh.
You don't tell me shush.
Look at the sound of thunder.
You're fake. You just making a dream. We're living a dream. Go back to sleep. We're in the wrong timeline.
Now we're in the right timeline. It's Monday. It is 10:30. And I'm experiencing a lightning show instead of a rain. Oh.
This should stop.
Got that.
Honestly, if it don't stop,
Oh yeah.
I'll kill you if it don't stop.
Oh my God, this Golden Lightning does not want to stop. This lightning is allergic to stopping. Oh my God.
Tell Karen to sue this storm. Get that storm sued by a government.
Karens will not do jack. Oh my God, look.
Karen, just stop this thunderstorm already.
My God, this lightning is very frequent right now.
Just stop.
And it's not even raining. Well guys, I guess you're experiencing nothing but lightning bolts the entire video.
Yeah, I'm guessing we put it on margin. I think we just put it on thunderstorms.
Oh God. They weren't. I was expecting this. Oh God, how many lightning strikes are we experiencing? Oh my God. It's not coming down anytime soon, guys. This is a once in a lifetime event. Oh my God, this is a. No, I would call this once in a decade. And it's not just once in a decade. Not a once in a century, but a once in a lifetime event. A once in a lifetime event. Oh! Oh! Oh, this is Oklahoma style. Dude, it's not gonna light any time soon. The lightning is just, oh my God. The lightning is just preventing it from raining. What's the weather right now? What's the weather right now?
If it's gonna hail today.
God, it sounds like it's starting to rain. but it's not actually raining. It's actually lightning. Because
No, this is actual dry thunderstorm.
Yep, I guess you're right. I guess it's a dry thunderstorm.
Look, my light just came on. Look, with lightning. Look.
What's this lightning with thunder?
Look, look.
Do you think this is lightning
Pay
with thunder?
attention.
Okay, what's this?
Look.
I'm not paying attention to your
My
light.
light.
Turn off. Light, turn off.
Look at that light with the lightning lights. Look.
No, I'm focusing on the lightning right now. Look at this.
Look at that light.
I am.
It just turned off.
The lightning
Light
turned
just
it off.
came on. Come on, that light just came on. You should look at it.
Oh.
You just blind. Phone back.
Oh my god.
I could use your phone.
It says frequent clouds to ground lightning is possible with this storm, and this is what we're experiencing right now. Oh, it's starting to rain. It seems like it's starting to rain. But that lightning is still going to be frequent.
Just stop. No, it's actually hailing.
Oh, it's hailing? Oh.
I hear the hail and storm down.
Oh my god.
Oh, we might get a fog with lightning.
Woman, quit it.
Imagine Halloween during a
Oh my god! Dude, if August 17th wasn't intense, oh my god, August 19th is more intense. Because we're getting about 100 lightning strikes right now. This is probably the 200th lightning bolt. Oh my god. Oh! Oh my god. God, lightning is so intense that one of the lightning bolts will be an auto-generated thumbnail. Oh!
This thunderstorm to stop.
It's not gonna stop, boy.
Stop.
Oh!
It hurt my eyes. Stop right now. That lightning bolt just hurt my eyes and blinded me for being so bright.
Oh my god, thundercrack. Oh my god.
I don't want to end up dying. I want to have to go out and die. I'll die the next week. Dude,
You'll not die the next week.
I'm about to die tomorrow.
Oh, you're
I'll
not.
be in bed. I won't even move. I'll be in my bed all day, dying. I'll be dead. I'll pass out.
All because of a lightning show?
I probably will.
Oh my god, lightning bolt!
And my light just came back on. Look, pay attention.
Oh my.
Mike.
No, I'm paying attention to this. This is more nice.
Actually,
Look at this. This is more nice.
look at the light with the light.
I know it's cool, but I was paying attention, but I'm mostly paying attention to this. Look at this.
You're gonna have to pay attention to my light goes off.
Too late. Lightning shut it off.
It would just come back on.
Oh!
It would just come back on. Anyways,
Dude, this is like Oklahoma right now.
I think that light would just come
God,
back.
this is more frequent than June 7th. Oh my god.
Turn off that thunderstorm.
My god. Oh,
Sleep already.
I'm not. No.
Sleep already. Just turn off the furniture. Find that setting.
Okay, setting. I'll turn on faster. Boop. There, turned off. Psych.
Off real action.
Woman,
Joke.
you don't control the weather. Oh my god, look at this.
Just turn it off. If I have to count to 5 and it's not off, then I'm killing you.
Don't know.
I'll count to 5 and that finds something off.
Ooh. Oh my god.
Stop freaking out.
God, this is actually more than close-up lightning bolts. Oh my god, this is close-up enough. Oh my god.
Get out and listen to me. Listen to me. 5 seconds or nothing at all. Your choice. 5 seconds.
Oh,
And just stop that thunderstorm.
oh god, I think the close-ups are actually starting to happen. Oh my god.
Calling the police on you.
Oh,
You don't make that thunderstorm stop. I have to call the cops.
I did not just experience a green lightning flash. Oh my god. I did not just experience a green lightning bolt. Oh my god.
There was no something.
Oh,
Lightning strike. And what the hell are you talking about?
oh my god, look at this chat. Look at this, guys.
I don't know about you.
Oh,
You're
oh my
making up
god.
stories.
No, woman, look, I'm not making up stories. I'm not hallucinating. This is I'm not sleeping in a dream. Look, I know I dreamed about these before, but one of my dreams came true. Oh my god.
This is a dream. I know. You have to be asleep. Honestly, you have to be asleep in the future. You have to be asleep in the future.
Oh my god, I'm telling my friends tomorrow. I'm telling my friends tomorrow. I am gonna tell my friends tomorrow. Oh my god.
You don't want to tell them.
No, I have to. Oh my god.
You don't want to tell them that. You're dreaming. Go back to sleep. Go back to sleep. It's a dream.
No, it's not.
Dream.
No, it's not a dream.
Go to sleep.
It's on video, boy. It is on flipping video. I'm gonna show you tomorrow. If this phone ever makes it. It's been at 1% for a while. And it's like we're going to stay that way until we get a. Oh my.
Show anybody, please. You don't want to do that. It's bad. It might be bad news.
Oh.
You show anybody. You should turn on the TV, right?
No.
And watch PBS Kids.
No, I don't want any.
Or
No.
a beat drop.
No, I'm not getting my video set for kids. Oh, 2 lightning bolts at the same exact time. This lightning isn't gonna end, isn't it? I don't care if you're not in the mood. Oh, I'm not even surprised if you get a flash that makes it look like daytime.
Go back to your old self again. Go back to your old self in 2022. Where you used to hate thunderstorms. Go back to 2017.
No, I started liking when I started actually liking thunderstorms that year.
Start going back to 2016 right now. Go back to
Are you
2016.
telling me to be scared of thunderstorms again? I actually got over that fear in 2016.
Back.
I actually got over that fear in September of that year. I actually got over that fear. And now,
Back.
look at me, recording thunderstorms on my phone
Delete
charger.
your channel or shave off your eyebrows.
What did you say?
Nothing.
You said I had to delete my channel or shave my eyebrows?
And your head.
And actually, I'm going to be logging into my account on this other phone, and then uploading the thunderstorm videos
Either
there,
you shave off your eyebrows
and then
today,
editing it into a full video. Oh my god!
already.
God, look what we're having right now. All these lightning bolts, all these flashes. God, they're starting to slow down a
I'll give
bit.
you option. Delete your channel.
Delete your channel or shave your eyebrow. No, I'm not doing it. You're not bossing me.
Either you delete. Either you shave off your eyebrows and your head, or you're gonna have to delete your channel.
I'm not deleting my channel. No, I'm not doing any of
And
these.
you're gonna shave off your eyebrows and head.
I'm not doing that too. So neither.
Well, I guess you're gonna shave off your eyebrows. Then you'll have to delete your channel.
Neither.
And both. Because
Oh look, it's actually clearing out.
you're gonna have to do both of them now. Since you refuse. Since you're gonna have to do 1,000 pages of home.
Shh. I wish I could end the video, but this lightning is just very frequent right now. I think I've just experienced 100 lightning strikes in one video.
Stop recording this. It's not allowed. You shouldn't be showing this to anyone.
Look how tense it is.
Oh my god. Stop. Stop, please.
Oh my god.
Can you stop
Oh!
doing this?
Well, stay
please?
tuned for that thunderstorm video coming to my main channel Sunday. Because we're having a fire drill on Friday, and I'm
It's
scared.
so good, and if we ever had a thunderstorm on Friday. On that day.
KSO actually said that.
And a fire
Oh my
drill.
god. Oh, now it's rain. Oh. I did not just catch a cloud to ground lightning strike.
Stop recording.
So the thunderstorm video on the other phone will sound bad, but this one will sound actually good.
No, you have.
Just look at the quality.
No, you have to stop recording now.
Oh,
Stop recording. Turn that camera off.
I am in a few minutes. Don't be like one of my family members that tell me to end the video. Oh, close up. Wait, are we under severe thunderstorm warning? Are we seriously?
You were the cause of the thunderstorm in 2017.
Oh!
You were the cause of the thunderstorm in 2016.
It says heavy thunderstorms and now we're under flood advisory. Wait, just awesome. Look at this. Awesome. Look.
You caused
I'm-
that advisory.
I'm getting a flood. Yep, I'm getting a flood.
You caused.
I am getting a flood.
You caused.
Yeah, Davis
that.
County is getting a flood.
You caused this thunderstorm, so don't play with me.
No, Mother Nature caused it. And it looks like the lightning is actually moving out. It appears that we actually had a bit of rain and an actual lightning show. Well, everybody, the lightning. Oh, I'm not ending the video now. Look at this. It's just way too intense right now. But if I go to Reddit where I can see a whole bunch of lightning strikes on a radar, I'm actually going to lose my mind. Well, everybody, it looks like the lightning has died off. But lightning is not that frequent anymore. Well, thank you all for watching. Make sure you all like and subscribe and comment. And this is me signing off, and I'll see you all next time.